discuss, okay, on how it was working on, okay, this two tables, the test one and test two, the two tables we designed here in the last session, and how this was working here, observe. And very simple, this is your information about your the table. Okay, now we can see here two tables. These are our two tables, right? Okay, serial number 1020 and one more table, serial number 1030 was there. And come back here. This is our condition. Okay, now the condition I'm going to just observe whatever the condition we written. The T1 dot, okay, T1 dot serial number. So it was using greater than symbol, and T2 dot serial number. So this is my condition. And now if you want to see this, so the two tables information, okay, when you come back here, the two tables information, if you keep it now, and what you say, T1 table have a 10, and here also we have here 10, and next here 20 we have, and here we have here 30. And I already said to you, okay, so one small thing you just blindly remember. What is that means? Any join, any condition, whatever you want to write condition in your join statement, and you are writing the join statement in any type of join statement like equi, inner, non-equi, self-join. Okay, so any type of. So once you want to go and you want to go for to perform your join with any condition, only the thing is how this condition is going to be executed. Okay, na? So how this condition will be checked. So that is only the reason. The purpose is what now you all of you know this. Okay, the rule of join. Okay, that's why I was given rule for you, because whenever you want to get some confusion, okay, otherwise any kind of doubt, how this output is came after this execution of the query. So that kind of doubt you have it now. Okay, then what you want to do, guys, here, just follow this rule. And what is this rule? A row in a table is comparing with all rows of another table. So this is a commonly for every join, it will be work. So you're using equal condition, less than condition, group by condition, it's none of the matter. But how to comparing your data means one row in one table compare with all rows of another table. This is blindly remember whenever you have a doubt, how this output is came, how this query is executed, how this result is came. So that kind of confusion, whenever you want to have it, then this rule will be follow and compare each and every row. Then you can easily understand that how this output is came. And now we can see, so here, okay, so now what we want to do, this is our result actually. So once you want executing this one and we got it, the result is 20 ln 10 25. Then how it is? Very simple. So compare with first value. Okay, which operator? Greater than. So 10 greater than 10. Condition true or false? False. I just leave now. 10 is greater than 30. True or false? False. I just leave now. Next one, second one, 20. So 20 is greater than 10. True. Condition true. So 20 is greater than 10. True. So that means that this row will be joined. So now got it? Yes or no? Yes, 20 is greater than 10. Satisfied. So next, 20 is greater than 30. False. So all rows are comparison is over. Yes. So then finally, this is your output. It's very easy now. Understanding or not? Yes. Any condition you written, but how you want to check means this is the formula. You have to check. Okay. Right. And take one more example on this. Continue the next example. Okay. So write a query to display employees whose salary is between low salary and high salary. Is between low salary and high salary. Okay, now the first of all, we just come to our database now. And now I need some time to create database, guys, because this is new laptop they was given. So whenever the system laptops are changes, automatically your settings also change. Okay, now this font size is okay. Huh? Okay, now right. And again, I want to create one new user for your batch. So my DB 9 AM. Divided by. And after user creation, what kind of permissions I want to take? Huh? That is initially along with what kind of permissions you want it. Okay. So after user creation, these three, okay, permissions are compulsory. This is connectivity purpose, creating table, memory, utilizations. So compulsory immediately you have to take these three permissions. Then only you can creating your tables. So yes, created now, and I will go for to connect my DB. Okay, right. So these are my present tables in my database. Okay, right. And now, what is our requirement here? Uh, okay, so I want to display employees whose salary is between low salary and high salary. So first of all, you want to go for the table of EMP table. First, I want to say it here. So this is my employee table. Okay, carefully observe. So we have some information about the tables. Okay, now, and in this table, we have your salaries information about employees. The 14 employees, the salaries are, we have it here. Okay, right. And now after this, and one more thing is what now, these salaries I need to compare with what now, low and high. But low and high salaries are where it is. It means that here another table is there. So this table also I was given in your demo tables. Okay. So it's called as what now? Your sal grade. So your low and high was there. So here these are all 700, 12, 14, 2000, 3000 low salaries, 1200, 1400, 2000, 3000, 999. These are high salaries. So now what I want to do, in this 14 employees, each and every employee's salary should compare with the low and high salaries. Is there in between or not? For example, now come back and see one of the employee 8,000 is there. Sorry, 800. So this is one of the employee salary 800 rupees. So this 800 I want to compare with each and every row of another table. So 800 comes and compare with your 7 to 1200. Is it comes under 7 to 12? Yes or no? So satisfied. So now satisfied means what it was happened here. This person will come to you. This person's salary is comes between low and high salary. That was one of the, okay, low and high salary. It was satisfied. But this is not satisfied. This is not satisfied. This is not satisfied. This is not satisfied. But satisfied with the 7 to 12. So what is my answer for this? If I want to go for my answer, okay, what is my answer here? 700, 800 and 1200. Satisfied? Yes. So 800 in between 7 to 12. So condition true. Then this row is joined. Okay. Now, in the same pattern, when you come back and check another one, 1600. The 1600 comes between 7 to 12. 7 to 12. No. 12 to 14. No. 14 to 2000. Yes. So your condition satisfied. That means answer is what now? 4, 1 and 1600 and 2000. So satisfied. So this is not satisfied. This is not satisfied. This is not, but satisfied here. And with which row data it was matching and satisfied, the data will be joined. So like this, each and every value of employee salary, each and every value of employee, we need to compare with the two columns of a sal grade table. Understand na? Then how we can write now, Corey? Select, come on. Select star from first table, EMP, comma, sal grade. Okay, which class? Where class and where condition I'm writing in the next line. Okay, where? How to write now? Where salary between operator. Can I use between operator? Yes. Between what? Low sal. Here low sal is column name. High sal is column name. Low sal and high sal. Okay. So as per this condition, see, I'm not using in my where class joining condition, I'm not using equal operator. I'm using between and operator and to execute now. So the people will came us or not, you can see, and I want to set this. And now we can observe and check it out. All people's salaries came out or not. Okay. Now 800 will join with the 700 to 1200. Like 950 comes between 700 to 1200. Next 1100 comes between 700 to 1200. So every 800 comes between low salary 700, high salary 1200. This is high salary. Yes or no? Yes. So like all people, that how many people will satisfy with any one value or any one comparison of values, that all people are come us. So now here all people came us. The total how many people we satisfied here? Almost 14 employees are satisfied with any one of low and high salary combination. Okay, now right. But here tell me the same thing salary I was used to between operator. But is it possible to write like this here? Select a star from EMP comma sal grade, and now I can use where salary which is greater than or equals to low salary, and operator salary which is less than or equals to high salary. Can I use like this? The between operator, can I write like this? Yes. And the same output will be come to you. The output is also same. 800 comes between 700 to 1200. So like all it will be come. So between operator is nothing but what now? We can write like this. Okay. Now write down below. This is non-ANSI format. And the same thing if you want to write into ANSI format, suppose. So in place of a comma, I want to use which keyword? Join keyword. In place of where, use on class. And here also in place of this join keyword, in place of this on class. So like two formats, you can write your non-equi-join. One is in ANSI format, one is in non-ANSI format. Okay, so now you can use like so any operator you can use it, but except equal. Okay, next right on here. The next join is called as what now? Cross join. And this explanation also same. You need to compare your salary column with each and every row of a second table. Okay, na? Same as it is, you just comparing. Okay, right. Cross join. So basically cross join where you want to use. Okay, and how I can use my cross join means. So we said this rule, whatever it was given by the people in the join rule. So what is our join rule? We said a row in a table is comparing with okay, all rows of another table. So this rule, how the people was taken, okay, it means that this rule was taken from cross join. So basically cross join exactly it was working like this, and based on that this rule will be defined by people. Okay, now so this rule how the people was defined, the which references they defined this rule means it's a cross join. Okay, no, so that's why the people saying that cross join is called as a default join in our database. If any interview person is asking what is your default join in database, okay, then you can use what now? Cross join. And the cross join how it was working means the same way it was working, a row in a table is comparing with all rows of another table. So this rule exactly it was satisfied by cross, and from there it was taken this rule. Okay, now so now that's why a cross join is called as a default join. How the joins are working, that nature was defined by cross join. Understand now? Hmm. Now below write down. So cross join how it was working means okay, first definition, wait, first definition, you need to take the first definition here. Okay, what is this? Joining tables, joining tables, so without any condition, without any condition. So joining tables without any condition is called as what now? Cross join. And cross join is never have any condition, guys. Okay, so remaining all joins are working with condition, but cross join will never work like this. It was joining your tables or any number of tables without having any condition here. Okay, but how it was working, sir? How it was working, sir, means it was working like okay, in cross join mechanism, in cross join, in cross join, okay, a row in a table mechanism, okay, a row in a table is comparing with all rows of another table. Okay, now for example, for example, a table is having okay m number of rows, m number of rows, and another table is having, another table is having n number of rows, n number of rows. Then the result is, then the result is what is the result here? M cross n, m cross n rows, m cross n rows. Okay, right. So now, for example, let me see this the cross line. I think the previously we designed two tables, a student and a course. Yes or no? Yeah, same tables. Okay, come back here. The course ID 10, what I was taken 10. And what is your second table? Student. Okay. Now finally the two tables come to you. What is my first table? Select a star from course. How many rows we have? 3 rows. And another table we called as what now? Student. And having here 4 rows. So now on these two tables, if I use my cross line, okay. So now I'm writing now. Select a star from. Okay. The table was what now? First table is what now? Student. And I'm using here cross join and later course, but I don't want to write any condition here. So without condition, you have to go and check it out. And how it was happen, you can see guys here. So each row of your first table comparing with all rows of a second table. Let you see the 10 here you can observe. So 10, 10, 10. So the 4 times this 10 is comparing with the 4 values of another table. Yes or no? So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 20 and 10 null. In the same pattern here, you can come out and see 20, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 20, 20 null. And next one is called as what now? 30, 30, 10, 30, 10, 30, 20, 30 null. So that means here, these are the 3 into, these are 4. Total how many? 12 times it was join your rows. But here I am not writing any condition and conditions will not allow. So this is what now cross join nature. But you are saying that, sir, for this purpose, this is our cross join. Okay, each and every row will be joins. But where I can use in real time? In real time, how this cross join will be help us. Okay, now in real time, where the people was using cross join means when they want to generating some bills. For example, nowadays you can see all are having the computerized bills. Yes or no? Almost everywhere we are going to be pay computerized bills maximum. So how the computerized bills are generated? It means that internally they prepared what now? Cross join. Okay, I will show you one example, then you can understand. And this is what we called as your cross join keyword I'm using, it means it comes under ANSI. Suppose non-ANSI format, do you want to write? Then just pass your, okay, student, comma, course. That's it. Okay. And the same thing will be happening here. Okay. So Oracle, okay, compare with 4 times Java, compare with 4 times .NET, compare with the 4 times. Okay. Now, so this is called a non-ANSI. Okay. But how this will be useful in real time? Okay. That I will show you along with one practical example. First, write on this. Okay. Take first non-ANSI, and after that take ANSI. So ANSI means compulsory you should use a cross join. The keyword should be use it. Okay. Now take one more example here. So how this cross join can be used in real time. Now, for example, come to my database now. First, I will create two sample tables. So create table. The table name is items 1. Your serial number and item name, varchar 2 of sum and price. So this is one items table I created, and I inserted some items name, items 1, sending values. Serial number 1 and the item name is called as pizza, and this is 160 rupees. And the second one, okay, the item is 2. The item name is called as burger, and it was 85 rupees. So like this, you can insert any number of items. And the same as I'm going to create one more table that's called as items 2. Into this items 2 table, I'm going to inserting some more items here. Okay, items number 2 and sending values. The serial number 1021 or 101. The item name is called as your Pepsi, and it was 20 rupees. Okay. And the next one is called as 102. The item name is called as Coca-Cola. Okay. And this was 25 rupees. Okay. I just committed here. So finally, the two tables I designed. One table is called as what now? Items 1. And one more table, items number 2. So what is my requirement here? I have a 2 list was there. Items 1 list and items 2 list. So in items 1 list, I have some products, and in items 2, I have some products. So now from this 2 list, okay, if any customer will come and order the any 2 combination, okay. For example, one customer is came and they order the pizza with the combination of Pepsi. Then what is the total bill amount? 180. Suppose one more customer will come, he was order pizza with the combination of Coca-Cola. Then what is the bill amount? 185. In the same to same, one more customer came, he was order burger with the Pepsi. Total bill 105. Okay. In the same to same, one more customer came, he was order burger with the Coca-Cola. Then 110. Okay. So that means here the point is, so any customer has their choice. They can order any combination of items from this 2 list or 2 tables. Then whatever the combination they added, whatever the combination they added. Based on that, I need to generate my bill amount. Okay. Now how I can write here? Carefully observe. Select I1 is called as alias name. So I1 dot I name, comma, I1 dot price, comma, I2 another alias name, I2 dot I name, comma, I2 dot price, comma. Then what I want to do? I1 dot price plus I2 dot price. Now I want to show as a total bill amount. Total bill amount. Okay, now total bill amount. Okay. And from which tables I'm taking? Items 1, which join, cross join, and I'm taking what now? Items 2. But here I was created aliases, right? Items 1 I1 is alias name. Items 2 I2 is another alias name. Are you clear now? So after writing here to execute now, what's happened? You can see the pizza 160 with combination of Pepsi 20 rupees and the total bill amount is 180. Another customer, he was ordered pizza with the combination of Coca-Cola, then the bill amount is 185. One more customer order burger with combination of Pepsi and their total bill amount 105. And one more customer is order burger with Coca-Cola, okay, combination with the 110. So any combination of two items from the two tables to generate what now? Total bill amount. So this kind of calculations, bill generatings, if you want to do, then they are using what now? Here, cross join. But cross join, you can see when I was join my tables, I'm not writing any condition, but in the internal condition I can write. So internally I'm giving some operation, but your joining level I'm not giving any conditional here. If I'm giving condition, then it's not comes under cross join. Okay, now this is one small example how the real time people are using cross joins. Okay, write down below. So here I will give these two tables for your practicing purpose. So whatever I'm using tables, every table I'm giving in the notes, and whenever you want to do practice, same table on that you can practice also. It's more enough. Okay, now right. And I will take this. So ANSI format, this is whatever we written, and if you want it non-ANSI, you can write non-ANSI also, but avoid your cross join statement and put it a comma. So these are the two tables and with query. Okay, in the last week, the Naresh Shaitu was conducting one company was conducting na? That one company was came na only some company. Yes or no? Uh, Anybody is there in this batch? Anybody qualified in that? How many rounds? First round qualified, huh? Second round technical round. What is saying? Written test over. Next what? Technical round. Tec- Technical round attend. Qualified in that? Huh? Technical round not conducted to you. You guy conducted, huh? Or anybody is there from girls? Girls is optional, huh? Actually, the 2 p.m. batch student, our student 2 p.m. batch, he was qualified all 3 rounds. Okay, and he got a appointment letter and offer letter, appointment, both are got it. He was, but when he was going to HR round, okay, the HR round is conducting at their company level. Okay, so this guy was went to the company for HR round purpose, and he attend HR round. So in that HR round, the manager profile person, uh, he was taking face-to-face interview. So what is the interview in HR round means? He was taking 1.5 hour interview. In that 1.5 hour, he was asking only Oracle database. And yesterday he told me, that guy was, he told me, sir, I cleared my third round also, and that I got it placement. Okay. But I'm a shock, sir, because when I went to HR round, he was asked only database 1.5 hour. He's asked me, sir. So I didn't believe that, because I expected it's a Java position actually. Yes or no? Java, advanced Java plus Oracle. So I didn't expect in HR round he will ask only database. I'm expecting some core Java, advanced Java, some type questions. Or later they will be talking about packages. But unfortunately, so he asked me 1.5 hour database queries. And I was not believe that, but because I'm suddenly abnormal, because no one can expect, yes or no? Actually, your position is Java developer. So everyone, what we expected, asking questions from Java, but he was taking database, sir. Almost 30 to 40 queries, sir, he asked me. And he was asking question, I'm writing query. He asking question, that means giving question, I'm writing query. And that query also I written on the board. Some, he was given marker and go to stand in front of this whiteboard, and he was sitting, manager sitting here and asking question, show me query. Question, show me query. And that guy was writing. He knows the question and answer. He was writing query. So like that, almost 1.5 hour, and he was almost 30 to 40 queries, sir, he asked me. Joins, sub queries, group by class based, some views based. Okay. DDL, DML queries, they asked me. So like he was told yesterday in the classroom. Okay. So finally I got it, sir. At any cost, I got it. But my shocking is what now? 1.5 hour database queries. Okay, na? And after he placed it, so he got offer letter. Everything is happily cleared. But he was telling his experience. I'm asking in the classroom, come on the dais and give your explanation to your friends. So your friends means in that batch who are the students are there. So he was expressed his feelings, how he was attend interviews and what kind of things he faced in interview. Okay, so he was explained in the classroom. And finally he said, I got a place. Okay, then everyone appreciated. So Here the point is why I'm telling this point to you guys. Company is going to be expected and asking on which technology it was mentioned. Okay, at the time of hiring process, you should go to learn that each and every technology knowledge. Somebody what they thinking that so core Java, advanced Java is most important now. So no one can expected database queries. But here reverse. He was taking only database queries. Like that, every student was taking like that only, who was went to HR round. So in that, somebody qualified, they written some queries very well, qualified, and 2 p.m. batch almost 80% the syllabus is completed. And maybe in 1 week, the batch is completed. So they are very happy for that, the student. Almost every question is asking from SQL only. So almost he attended 30 to 40, he said, as my confident, almost 25 queries I solved, sir. So maybe that is my positiveness, he selected me. Okay. So core Java, advanced Java, Oracle. So on the 3 bases, okay, you need to prepare. I think in the next week also there, no? The same company will taking second time hiring process. Anybody got it, that message? You got it, huh? And the next level also there. Maybe which day? Date is any confirm? 27th. They're telling like that. Confirm. Okay. So maybe today 24, na? Maybe they're conducting one more time. Okay, for the second phase. Okay, because in second phase, so many, first phase in so many people not attend. I think so. Yes or no? Only almost 700 to 800 people attend in the first phase. As per Naresh Shetty management count, 700 to 800. In the second phase, maybe they are expecting some more people to attend. So yeah, the thing is, you people also, if anybody attending the second phase, when you clearing your first and second round and going to HR, so little bit focus on database. Understand, na? So up to there, how much syllabus you completed in this? You can tell them this much syllabus is completed, sir. And you can ask in this syllabus, I can manage. Out of this syllabus, you can openly tell that. So I don't know, sir, but still we are pursuing. So maybe they are giving some chance to you. Okay. So because up to whatever the syllabus is completed, if you're telling to the person, then they will also asking in that syllabus only. Okay, now, and they didn't go to out of syllabus because you are a fresher and you are pursuing from Naresh IT, and Naresh IT was tie up with that company. So that kind of chance is there if you tell them. Okay, now, in the second phase, if anybody missing the first phase, okay, you didn't get a chance. Second phase, already you registered and you got a mobile some message in the second phase. Go to attend and focus on mostly core and Oracle. And advanced Java, they didn't ask you much and more. So they will focusing on core and database queries, and especially SQL queries, like group by classes, functions, joins, primary key foreign key relations, subqueries, and basic queries. These things, they are morely, that means mostly the focusing on that. As per that person, that guy who was selected, na? So he told me, sir, he was mostly focusing on these concepts in SQL. Okay, because he got so many questions from that areas. Okay, no? So if anybody have like this, you can prepare well. And it's a good 2.5 to 3.6 lakhs package. Okay, as a fresher. And any company, even though multinational companies also, as a fresher, they will take the minimum package is that. Even though you can go to apply multinational also, they will offer 3.5, 3.2 maximum. If you have a highly performed person, then they will go to 4 lakhs, 3.5 to 4 lakhs. Okay, na? But maximum every company nowadays as a fresher, they're taking 2.5 to 3.6 up to here in between, they will call you. So as a fresher, that was big to you. But after 1 year and 2 year experience is over, automatically will reach a 7-8 lakhs package, 5 years, 10-12 lakhs package. So your growth will be happen day by day. Okay, na? As your performance in the company. Are you understand now? So that's why database is also not like one more student also, he told me as their experience, he was a 6 p.m. batch. So same thing has happened in one of the multinational companies side, Cognizant or something. Cognizant or Infosys something. He was going to Java actually, but he was asked, the person is asking Oracle queries, Oracle database. So he's also faced the same problem, sir. I'm also faced that kind of situation when I was attend the interview. So nowadays, what it was happen, guys, here, every technology, whatever you learn, along with technology, the mostly nowadays, I'm also not believe that, but so many companies are, they're mostly focusing on SQL. And here, one of my colleague, he was working in Cognizant, and he sent one the notification to me, and they're Cognizant also hiring some people with the different platforms. Okay, with the different platforms they're hiring. But in this, any hiring of lister, okay, any hiring of lister, see that, any hiring of lister from the Cognizant, almost in every technology, they're asking SQL. And that list was sent to me, my friend, he was working in Cognizant. He told me that, any platform student, you told that, and you just tell them, learn SQL compulsory for any technology person. Okay, now? So that is what the notification was sent it. Okay, now? Got it? I just given for to viewing purpose here. Okay, na? But not sharing. This is confidential. So you see, I'm reading some technologies along with your importance of SQL. .NET plus SQL. So .NET people, when you go to .NET places, they wanted SQL again. Next, they have the company Java. Java J2EE, microservices, designing patterns, Spring frameworks. Along with that, okay, SQL. See, next one is there here. Full stack Java developer with SQL. Next one is there here. Next one, only SQL positions, database developer. They're asking Oracle, Xstore, POS, Java related, Hibernate, RESTful web services. And along with that combination, they're asking Oracle or SQL Server. Next, again, ASP.NET, again SQL. So almost here, if you see this, almost in any technology, they commonly have what now? SQL. And this guy, my friend, colleague, he was said, we are hiring, Cognizant people are hiring now, the people, okay, they are hiring in different platforms, but almost any platform person when come to us, they definitely have a good idea on SQL. And on SQL, there is very good positions in Cognizant. Okay, so nowadays the situation, how it is means, you learn any technology, but common subject is what now? SQL. So once you learn it SQL, and learn any technology, that is a better for you in your resume. If you keep the calls also call for, okay, the calls also coming to you, yes or no? So this is a situation, just what it was now present in the market. Okay, na? And not only Cognizant, so many companies, Infosys, Accenture, TCS, everyone, they was focusing on databases also nowadays. Okay, because of the requirement, maybe they are getting like that in real time. Okay. So that is one of the practical example. And this student also, they told me same thing. Okay, he was also faced here. And one more student in 6 p.m. batch, he is also faced same thing, sir. I'm a Java developer. I went into that position, but they're asking me SQL queries. The situation, how it will be, we don't know. So that's why prepared all subjects with equal manner, and whatever the important topics are there, more focus on that. Okay, na? Right. So now this is what, guys, cross join. So you can use nowadays any bill generating systems. So internally they are preparing what now? Cross joins. Okay, now? Right. And the next one, write down. Natural join. So natural join, how it was working, sir? It means that here observe. Natural join is just and similarly working like a equijoin. Okay, similarly working like a equijoin. But difference is what now? natural join will avoid duplicates columns. When we return the query statement, same, okay, equijoin, whatever we return, equijoin, what it will do, it will not eliminating duplicate columns in your result set. But natural join advantage is what now? Once you apply natural join on multiple tables, and if any repetition of columns are there in your results, that is repetition means duplicates. So those type of columns will be eliminating by your natural join automatically. Okay, so that is a difference here. And remaining process will be same. Remaining process what now? Equijoin, when we want to retrieval based on equijoin, which operator? Equijoin, which operator? Equal operator. Why here? Yesterday concept, today forgot it. Huh? Gajnis, huh? All are equijoin working on which operator? Equal operator. Same as natural join is also working equal only. Other than equal, it doesn't support any other operator. That's why it is called as a similar to equijoin. And equijoin, what we said, common column, okay, will maintain. Here also natural join is also maintained. Common column compulsory. Without common column, you can't. It's a and mandatory. Next, equijoin condition written by user, but natural join condition written by system, not a user. These are the differences of equi and natural. Understand now? Now write down the difference. Natural join. It is similar to equijoin. Equijoin to retrieving matching rows from tables. It is also same matching rows from tables because natural join is also joins tables based on an equal operator. Okay, now the difference of natural and equi, just few points I will explain to you. Suppose when you go for natural join, okay, and compare with the equijoin, the few differences observed. What is the main differences? If anybody asks you in our interview panel, natural join, what we said, it was eliminating duplicates. Okay, to eliminate duplicate columns, from the result set. But equijoin, not. Okay, result set. Here I want to say result set automatically. Okay, but equijoin, no, it doesn't happen this. Simply I'm writing. And second point, common column name is mandatory. Common column name is mandatory to have in both tables. But equijoin, we said it is a optional. Common column is called as what now? Optional. And the third point, natural join condition. Okay, this join condition is written by condition was written by system, okay, by default. System by default with with based on common column, with based on common column along with an equal operator, along with an equal operator. But here, tell me, equijoin condition written who? Who was written condition? User. Okay. So what I'm saying here, this join condition was written by who? User. User. So based on common column name along with an equal operator. But your common column name, what we said here, it is a optional. But their common column mandatory. Not eliminate. Okay. Now we can see how it was working this both. Okay, right. Let me come and observe. So here I have it two tables now. Select a star from one of my table is what now? Course, and another table is student. So on these two tables, if I want to use, okay, select a star. Star means all columns from student S comma course C, where S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. This is which join? Huh? Equijoin. This is equijoin. Okay. So when I use equijoin on this two table, can you see the duplicate columns are repeated in my result set? Is it happened or not? So CID how many times repeated here? 2 times. So this is, that means your duplicate columns are not eliminating by equijoin from your result set. This is my result. In this result, the duplicate columns are not eliminated by equi. But the same query I'm writing now, but condition should not be give it. Okay, in place of, okay, this one, and what I am using here, natural join. But here also carefully observe, I'm using what now? Star means all columns from student table, all columns from course table. But your student table, course table is having common column CID, CID. And let me go and check here to execute now. What's happened? Your CID how many times repeated? Only one time. That means duplicates are eliminated. Understand now? And second difference is what now? Here I was written by explicitly, your condition was written by user. So that means whenever I want to use my equijoin, compulsory user has to return join condition. This is who will write user defined. But can you see in my natural join, user is written any condition here? No condition. Even if you try to write this condition, it will show error. But sir, without writing condition by user, how this data will come? Can you see? And here data, that means here result, equijoin result and natural join result, both are same, same or not? Same, except this column. If you remove this, both are same or not? Check. So both are same. It means how the equijoin, okay, how the equijoin retrieval matching rows 10 10 10 10 20 20, same as here also 10 10 10 10 20 20. So is it matching rows? It is also matching rows. Yes. But why equijoin is retrieval matching rows? Because of reason equal operator, same as internally your system also preparing your joining condition for natural join based on which operator? Equal operator. So that reason only here natural join also returns which rows? Matching rows. Understand na? Next one here, observe. For example, alter table name, course, and rename column. My old column name CID2. Okay. Now I went to course ID I was given. For example, let you see what happened. Your column name was changed. CID2, CRID. Let me come out and see your table. Course, CRID. Change. And the table of which table here? Student. Okay. Change or not? Different names. CRID, CID. Different names. Now I am giving here equijoin. Let me see. I am writing now. S dot CID is equals to C dot CRID. Is it working or not? You can see. Working, huh? Yes or no? Now tell me, common column name is a mandatory or optional? For what? Equijoin. Okay, na? So let me see. We will try natural join also. What's happened? We can go for this natural join. I'm writing natural join. What it was happening? You can see. Natural join is working. Working or not working? Not working. Working. Not working. This is which join showing? This is which join showing? Cross join showing. Because of reason, natural join when it was worked means when you want to use a common column name in the table. If you're not giving common column name, different name, then it was showing what? The default join. What is the default join? Cross join. Can you see? Each row in a table comparing with all rows of another table. This is called a cross join. This is not a natural join. Understand na? This is called a cross join. So that's why cross join is called as what? Default. And it is also rule na? Which rule? Join rule. What is the join rule? A row in a table comparing with the all rows of another table. So that is called this one. Just a default nature of join is showing us, but it is not showing natural join. Understand na? Why, sir, it is not showing natural join and why it was showing default join, cross join means reason is what? Different column names. So different column, common column name is optional for equi-join, but common column name for mandatory for natural join. Okay, so then I will again come back here. Alter. Again, I want to take CID. Okay, similar reason. So now we will take suppose course.cid. Alias name is not allowed, I think so. CRID to CID. So now again I will change as same name and come back your table. Yes, CID, and come back here your student table. Yes, CID. Now I'm writing same join. Which join? Equi-join first I'm writing. Can I use this? Yes, working because common is there or not there, nothing problem. Okay, but come to natural join. Now it is working. Now it's working. Yes, now you can see got it. Natural join output you got. Understand now? So this 3 points are clear, all of you. This is one of the most important question for your interview. Okay, so natural join, equi-join, what is difference? So many people saying that both are same, but both are same in which way? Equal operator, retrieving matching data, same, but internal working nature different. Here natural join eliminating duplicate columns, it is not eliminated. Common column name is mandatory, but here optional. And here this join condition written by system based on equal operator along with the common column name. But here user, the condition is written by who? User. Got it my point now? Now write down your example below. Select a star from student S, natural join, and course 3. That's it. Okay, completed. Yes. Okay, so this is natural join. Next, very important join in for your interview, that is called self join. Okay. So self join very complicated to understand, but try to understand. I will very simply and number of times I'm explaining to you. Okay. Self join is one of the most important join. Before any interview, if you have a database in that interview, compulsory self join should be led, either fresher or 3+ of experienced people, any person. Okay, na? Self join, because it is a complicated, that this is not that much easy. So much confusion was there. So in self join, that's why so many people focusing on self join. Okay, to what we can say, so many people lack in this concept. Okay, but try to understand each and every point. I will show you with practically how it was working. Okay, no? Right. But that is not now. We will discuss on Monday session. And yesterday notes I uploaded. Huh? 9 a.m. batch. Bite. क्यों, क्या जल्दी है? क्या किससे मिलना है क्या? Do you want to meet someone? Then where hurry burry? You have any commitment, you can go, no problem. Especially girlfriend's commitment, very danger. Go. I will support you. Go. This is called overaction. Sir was friendlily talking, then started. Sir is talking a little bit friendliness, then your original character will come. If your original character come, my original character will come. Then different ho jayega. It was small. I am saying to that person, you are be activated.